Today we are going to get started with our Microsoft Publisher Name project. To begin, click on Download File. You want to save the file. You're going to save it in your H drive. To do this, select from the pull-down menu and find your student number and the letter H. Finally, click Save and click Open. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, the first step is to add word art. We are going to go to the left-hand side here and look for the word art icon. Click on that and choose the word art style that you like. I like this style here. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to type my name. If you click on here, then make sure to delete your text here. Okay? Use the backspace button. Now type your name. Click OK. You can move your word art. You can resize your word art by pulling on the corner. If you want to change the text again, just click on Edit Text. If you want to change this shape, click here. You can change it to be like a stop sign. Oh, and I clicked on this one here to change the color. A new window will appear and I can change my color if I want. The next box is Crazy Font in a text box. A text box is different than word art. Let me show you. This is word art. We already added our word art. We're going to add a text box now. Here's a text box. Click here to add your text box. Now this part's kind of tricky, so pay attention. Click on the text box. Then you want to click with your first mouse button and hold and drag across the entire area. To delete a text box, you simply click on the edge of it and press delete. But I didn't want to delete that, so I'm going to hold down Control and Z at the same time and undo that. You can also go to Edit, Undo. So I'm going to add my name again. I held down Shift to make a capital J, and then I typed the rest of my name. Now I'm going to highlight my name. I'm going to go to the top. Here I can change the style of my name. It's up here at the top where it says Times New Roman. I'm going to change it to be, oh, this looks kind of crazy. I like that. And I'm going to change it to be a different size too. I want to make it maybe 36. Okay, now let's go back to my name. I'll show you what I did. Look at that. That's a pretty crazy font. I like it. Okay, let's go down to the next box in our name project. This next box is big font in a text box. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to create another text box. Again, this is word art here. This is the text box. Click on the text box. Then go down to where you want to add the text box. We're going to add a big font size. So I'm going to drag it across the entire yellow box. Okay, now I'm going to type my name. But you notice my name is very small. So what I'm going to do is highlight my name by holding down my first mouse button and dragging. And then I'm going to make my font as big as possible without being too big. If it's too big, then it won't fit inside this text box, okay? I put it at 72. If I want to make it even bigger, I can type my font. I'm going to type 120. Check that out. It looks awesome. Nice and big. Okay. Now for the last one, we're going to add all capitals in the text box. So what you want to do is go back to Insert Text Box. Click on that text box one, not the word art, and drag across the area. Now begin typing. To type all capitals, you hold down Shift.
Good morning.
You can also press the caps lock key and type the letters of your name. When you are all finished with your project, be sure to save. Click on the save icon, and now you are finished.